Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a few recipe books that I'm selling. These are using, photo sleeve holders that I pull about maybe like almost probably a third of the sleeves out. So otherwise it would be just like huge. But so here it is. This is all like vintage stuff from cookbooks and whatnot. The pictures. And then some of this is Cricut, from the Cricut. Like that, and that. And that's a old milk label. And then some vintage cards from Michael's. Vintage as in they don't sell them anymore. And they were so cute. And then I just added some tips. I think that paper's Echo Park. No doubt. I love that. It's so cool illustrations. These are things you can use throughout the book. That's from the Cricut. And then I just added trims. This is Little Yellow, Savoir Faire, I think. What was it? Savoir Faire. It's either a Little Yellow Bicycle or Savor. I don't remember. But it was a kind of obscure paper company, but it was such a cool collection. That's from the Cricut. I think it's We're Better Together is the cartridge too. It's really cute. Yeah, that's from Echo Park. Cricut. Both those. No, that's Echo Park, sorry. That's Cricut. Cricut. This is so cute. Cricut. And then the old cookbook. Same. Look at him. May basket. Who does that anymore? Nobody. And that's from old cookbook. You know where. You know where. And that's it. Very cute. I love them. These are so much fun to make. I make a lot of them. They sell pretty well. These I never brought to a sale because I kind of wanted to hoard them. But I love this cover. That against the Cricut. I think that might be too. And then just from a magazine. And I used some graphic 45. And more of the old recipe cards from Michael's. This is graphic 45. Cricut. And I think, yeah, this one has more recipe cards. I made that. And that comes out. Made those. I love the artwork though. Same. That's from Echo Park. And that's Cricut. Suppose you're tired of hearing that. And that's that one. Then there's a milk. I think these are Tim Holtz. Then, oops, here's this one. It's kind of a farmhouse style. I love this one. Those are just punches or die cuts and stuff I have. And that's from Homegrown Echo Park. And these are vintage, like from the probably 60s, late 60s, or probably early 70s. And then these are just the index cards I just did for my index card series. Those are such cool. And then I added some Michaels too. But this is exactly just like how I have as many recipes from my own creations and from friends or family as I do from cookbooks. That's just a fun little Stampin' Up! Stamp. He's so cute. But if you're into farmhouse and cooking or baking, this is the book for you. So there's that one. Again, these are available for sale. This one is called Royal. This one is called Comfort Food. And this one is called Homemade. So just look for that down below and it'll make it easier. And just email me at my address below. Thanks so much for watching.